Have you found it?
No, I'm looking now.
Because I need it for the party. Am I making myself clear?
Yeah, I got it.
Tell her you're psycho.
Really?
Yes, tell her. I mean, the alternative is that I find an assistant that doesn't give me grief.
I'm sorry, Ruby.
Right, it's black with sequins, elegant.
Elegant. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so keep looking.
Oh, of course it's elegant. Hello.
Look, this needs to be in the cleaners in the next, 20 minutes. Or it won't be cleaning time.
It'll be clean, okay? Hello. Oops. It'll be clean, you cow. Oh, bet Dot'll like that. Oh, if I was a brass, maybe. But... oh, my days!